You ever have one of those things where you take someone at their word at, oh, sure, it's good to go. It's a running, driving piece of equipment, ready to use. Just needs a few little things. I knew it needed a new tire. Told they replaced this one, that part checks out. But this was not a functional tractor. It still isn't. It's had a 12-volt conversion, but when it was unloaded, this belt was off. The distributor was completely loose. Oof, now it's hot for me trying to start it. There's still an issue with voltage. This cover piece should connect to something. The ground cable is completely corroded, not doing anything. Positive cable wasn't even on it. It was just in this toolbox here. At present, she doesn't get spark, but she now will crank if you hit the button here. But if I plug the battery in though, you'll see she has nothing to give. Nothing. The headlight, it actually does work. You can't see it because, again, the negative cable does not hit the ground, but yeah, this was a disappointing buy. It's not even remotely close to how it was described. And the individual I purchased it from is a tractor mechanic who told me, yeah, this thing's good to go. It's ready to run. No, it's not. I mean, it's interesting. It's an older Ford 9N. You can tell by the beam structure here. It appears to have 8N wheels on it, or that may just be the type of hub. And I think these are 8N wheels on standard 9N hubs, but I'm not certain. I don't know enough. But there you can see the serial number. 9N43535. Little flathead 4-cylinder, very similar to that of the old Model T. Again, this thing's got strange issues. That's where the ground goes. I tried cleaning that up. No, the cable's just shot, needs to be replaced. These are the brake and clutch levers. There's this interesting toolbox, but second, we'll see what can be done about this thing. Just right now, I'm not optimistic.